So, how much did YouTube pay me as a small YouTuber living in Nigeria? That's what I'm about to disclose in this video. Exactly how much I have earned so far from YouTube. A little backstory. I got monetized 2 weeks ago. That was on the 18th of June 2025 precisely. So here I am today sharing with you guys how much I have earned so far within the space of these 2 weeks that I got monetized. This is my estimated revenue from the YouTube dashboard and not an official payout yet, but it's the real amount I have earned so far on my channel since I got monetized. So in this video, I will show you my earnings breakdown such as ROPM, CPM, and my top performing videos. Yes, I'm going to show you my top performing videos since I got monetized and how much I have made from each of my videos. This is what I'm going to walk you through right now on my computer screen. So if you are wondering how much YouTube pays small YouTubers, especially in Nigeria, this video is an honest breakdown of how much YouTube pays. And note that your earnings on YouTube depends on several factors such as RPM, CPM, and your audience location, where your audience or where your viewers are actually watching you from. You are going to earn higher when you have viewers from the European countries, and this is because advertisers pays more to advertise their product or whatever they want to advertise in those countries, because they know that these people are willing to patronize them more than we that are in Africa. So that is why advertisers do pay higher, and if you have viewers from those top American countries or European countries, your earnings is definitely going to be very, very high. So, without wasting much of our time, I'm going to take you through my YouTube analytics to see how much I have earned so far from YouTube. So, make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you will see or have idea on how much YouTube pays Nigeria. Join me, let's get to my computer screen as I will walk you through how much I have earned so far. Let's go. So here is my YouTube channel analytics. In the past 28 days, as you can see right here, I got 46,718 views. Just that's what I was able to get, to show you how serious I was ever since I got monetized. And I also got 2.3k watch time hours, and subscribers. I've gained 1,700 new subscribers within the last 28 days. So I told you guys that I got monetized on the 18th of June 2025. Fast forward to 12, I got 0.42 cents. All these earnings are from membership. People that join my membership are the one that paid for the money that you see there. So when I officially got monetized, like fully monetized to earn from ads, starts on the 18th, as you can see right here. So my first earning since I fully got monetized was $5.74, which is Friday, June 18, 2025. So this is where I got monetized full time. Then on Saturday, June 14, I earned $4.80. On Monday, June 16, I earned $4.11. You see, my earning is coming down, like it's gradually going down. On the Tuesday, 17th of June 2025, I earned $2.99. You see, it now goes up again. On Wednesday, I earned $18. $3.43. And on Tuesday 19, I earned $4.87. On Friday, I earned $4.80. On Saturday 21st, I earned $3, exactly $3 without adding anything. On Sunday 22nd, I earned $2.41. On Monday 23rd of June, I earned just $2.54. And as you can see, all these ones, it has become worse. Like, you see the way my earnings reduced drastically. This is because I didn't even post or do anything again. So I'll be showing you my top performing videos before I will now review my total earnings that I have earned so far on this my channel. Within my 2 weeks of monetization. Okay, let me go to content. I'll be showing you few of my videos and how much the video generates. So I will start with this particular video right here. So let me open the analytics of this video. So as you can see right here, in this particular video, I got 2,434 views so far. Note, I think this is the video I made on the, was it day or 2 days after I got monetized? Yes, that's the video I posted like 2 to 3 days after I got monetized. So this video gave me 171.9 watch time hour with 103 subscribers, and this video earned me $5.80. Let's go to another video. And okay, let's see how viewers found this particular video. As you can see right here, I got 36.5% of my viewers from external sources. Meanwhile, 28.8% of my viewers from YouTube search. So people actually search for this particular video on YouTube. And I also got 16.2% of my viewers through YouTube recommendation, as you can see right here. Okay, let's check this particular one. This particular video got 6,179 views since it was published, and this is the video I published even before I got monetized. Most of the views I got before, yes, most of the views I got before, it was that enables me to get monetized. So it's just part of it that counts to generate this money that you are seeing right here. So this particular video made me $9.87. Let's check another video as well before we now check the final one, the highest video. So I'm going to open, which other video should I open? Okay, let's check this other video, this particular one right here. Okay, let me open this one. You see, I got 10.8k views on this particular video with 534.3 watch time hour, and this video, only this video gave me 636 new subscribers, and also generated a revenue of $7.69. So let me quickly open my top performing video since I got monetized within the 2 weeks. I think it's this particular video right here. It's not really different from the previous one. Yes, you see this particular video has 11,849 views since it was published. Note, these are the video that help me get monetized. So it's not the money that you are seeing right here is not how much these views generate. Before I got monetized, this video was at around 9,000 views. It was already at 9,000 views, around 8 to 9,000 views. Yes. So before it now get to this 11,849, it's just the around 3,000 that is on top that generate this um $10.56. Okay, it's about 2,000 that is on top that generate this particular money right here. So as you can see right here, now let me finally reveal to you my total earnings that I have made so far on YouTube within the period of these 2 weeks that I got monetized. So let me show you the exact amount that I've made so far. So as you can see right here, this video, I've made a total of 59.59 $17 as my overall earning within my 2 weeks of monetization. If I take this cursor right here, you are going to see this particular message: previous 2 days processing. You see that YouTube haven't paid me for the last 2 days, so it's still processing. Understand? Because payment on YouTube, before your earnings you read on your YouTube studio or on your YouTube dashboard, it always process like 2 days back. Like what I'm earning, example, what I'm earning today, it will not appear tomorrow. It's going to appear by next tomorrow. Understand? My today earnings is going to appear on my dashboard by next tomorrow. So that's why it is like this. So if I should add the previous 2 days, that means my earnings will definitely be around 60 something dollar. So that's it. YouTube actually pays. You can now testify that YouTube pays. Yes, YouTube actually pays, and this depends on the level of the creator. The level is not like YouTube have people that they are ranking higher or so, but this depends on your video. It depends on the views that you have. It depends on where people are watching you from. It depends on the quality of your content. These are some of the things that determines how much you are going to make on YouTube. So I'm making this video also to encourage those upcoming YouTubers, those that want to get into YouTube and those that haven't got monetized, to boost their morale. So this is to show you that YouTube actually pays, and whatever you are doing, if you are working towards your monetization or anything that you are doing here on YouTube, make sure to take it very serious, because one day you will definitely get monetized and you will get paid for everything that you do here on YouTube, as long as it's original. You are not just copying some other people's content and reposting them on your channel. If that's not what you are doing, then you are definitely going to get paid on YouTube. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video. Drop your comment on the comment section by telling us exactly where you are, if you are an upcoming or if you have already monetized on YouTube. You can also tell us how much you have made if you wish. So like I said, share this video and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this.